something truly extraordinary. Well, get ready to be amazed, because I'm about to unlock the hidden potential right before your eyes. Follow along to see these incredible transformations. I'm taking a small piece of modeling clay and pressing the charger's pins into it to create a perfect mold. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Then, I'm inserting a small metal rivet through a key, creating a new, sturdy attachment point for our transformed charger. I then inserted a small metal stud through a key, creating a new attachment point. Next, I attached one end of the splitter connector to the stud. For our next project, I'm taking a standard AA battery. With precision, I'm carefully peeling back outer wrapper. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Then I'm using pliers to remove the internal metal casing, the carbon rod, from its core. I'm extracting this rod as it's the key component for our hack. This simple rod transforms into an effective drill bit, perfect for small, precise tasks. It's truly amazing how a common battery component can be repurposed like this. I'm taking a piece of sandpaper and affixing it to the drill with the carbon rod. This setup creates a handy mini polisher, ideal for smoothing rough surfaces or adding a fine finish to small objects. It's perfect for detailed work. Returning to our charger, I'm attaching the carbon rod to the exposed circuit, securing it with a screw. This creates a heating element, transforming the charger into a makeshift soldering iron. It's incredible how we can leverage the charger's power this way. Now I prepare the wires. I carefully strip the ends of an orange wire and twist the wires together. Then I attach one end of the wire to the charger, and with the other end, I use an alligator clip on one end to ensure a secure connection. I will repeat this process for the other end. Using a blue wire, similarly remove the protective plastic layer and attach them with alligator clips for easy and secure connection. With both sets of wires ready, I'm connecting them to a power source, a small battery. You can see how it starts to heat up, ready for various small-scale tasks. To demonstrate the capabilities of the soldering iron, I wrapped a rectangular piece of wood in foil. Now, using hot coals, I can easily engrave the word "like" into the foil, showing that it can be used for detailed crafts or even custom designs. The precision is amazing. Next, I'm taking a utility knife blade and attaching small metal nuts to it. Then, I'm connecting the wires from the battery to the blade and the nuts. When energized, the nut will quickly heat up. The soldering tip is able to bond the nuts together. Watch it glow.